Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Welcome to another product review weekend. A little while ago, a company called Balit sent me an air compressor tire inflator. Works great. They asked me if I wanted to try out some lighting, and I said sure. So they sent me this box the other day. This is the RC90 Balit mini flashlight. I believe it's rechargeable. And then we have the SL1000 portable lantern. We're going to open these two up right now. Which one should we do first? Should we do the lantern or the flashlight? Let's do the lantern. I always like opening up these packages because it feels like Christmas when it's not Christmas yet. You know what I mean? I know you know what I mean. So it comes in different colors. I think I chose the gray one. It's solar powered, so you never have to recharge this through the wall or electricity in your house or something. You just leave it out where there's sunlight and it recharges it all the time. So in a blackout situation where you need power and you're not sure if the batteries are good, this will always be good. Cool. It is the gray one. As you can see, this is the solar panel over here. Peel this adhesive off for shipping and safety protection so it doesn't get scratched up. It also, as you can see, it has an input for your USB-C. USB-C is going to be the gold standard moving forward because it's more reliable in terms of, you know, when you plug it in, sometimes you move it around, doesn't work, whatever. USB-C is supposed to be the better one. Has a canometer, you guys know what I mean. Has a little strap here we can carry, and I believe it opens up like that, like a accordion. All right, well, I don't know how to turn it on yet. Oh, duh. There's an on and off switch right here. Okay, so I think it's because it's not charged. It's not very bright right now. So let me plug this into a charging port, and we'll come back to this when it charges. So I don't know if you guys can see this very well, but if you notice here, the blue light is flashing only at one dot. Has 4 dots, but it's only flashing at 1 dot, which means it's not charged. So we're going to charge this baby up, okay? So looking at the user manual, this is the user manual. It says that if you wanted to leave it out in the sun, solar charging takes a full 12 hours for it to be fully charged. If you do the Type-C USB-C cable in there and charge it in your house, it only takes 3 hours to fully charge. When the light is already on, slightly tap the switch to cycle through, and that's how you turn it on. Has 3 lighting modes. LEDs generate up to 100 lumens. Cool. So we'll let that charge, and after it fully charges, we'll shut the lights off and turn it on. Okay, here we have the flashlight. Comes in a little carrying case here. The drawstring. Let's see what it looks like. Good weight. Tactical flashlight. RC90. Good quality. Feels good. Has a zoom. USB-C charging also. Button on the back. Ooh. Wow. It's bright. Big circle. Little circle with more intensity. Very nice. Is that bright? You're blind now, aren't you? So that's it. Oh, you can it generates some heat here. You can really feel it. Very strong. So let's take a look here. Oh, look at that. So I was going to open it up to see if it had any rechargeable batteries in it that you could change or something like that. But when you turn this is the intensity of the light. And over here, when you turn it, that's for the intensity of the light, the zoom of a bulb. And on this side over here, when you turn it, it reveals your USB-C charging port. See that? And it's watertight too because there's an O-ring there. So that's where you put in your charging port. This panel opens up over here and we have the USB-C charging port cable. Some extra O-rings in case that got worn from opening and closing it too much, and a handy strap that you're going to fix to this, carry around your wrist. I might mount this on my AR-15 as a really cool tactical light, you know? Very, very nice. I like this a lot. This is very cool. So I was reading the instructions a little bit. And if you do the strobe feature, it's 1,000 lumens. High is 1,000 lumens. Medium is 200 lumens. Low is 30 lumens. Strobe is 1,000 lumens. Runtime is 4 hours maximum on the strobe. 2 hours maximum on high. So this is regular, right? You tap it. It's low. Tap it again. Lower. And then you get the strobe feature. Strobe feature is to get the attention in case you're lost or you're somewhere you need to get people's attention, or you know, you could try blinding somebody if they're trying to mess with you. Very cool. I like it a lot. This is very nice. I'll leave a link in the description for both of these items if you guys are interested in purchasing them directly, and check out the description if you're interested. Okay, so I've only charged it for about 10 minutes, but I just wanted to get you guys the idea about what it looks like. Let me shut off that light, and we'll see. So here we go. Just press it. Hello. I am pressing the button. Nothing. Oh, okay. There you go. Press it again, lighter. Same thing as that, you know. Press it several modes, and it goes. Like I said, the battery's not very strong, and it's going to take a while to get it charged up fully. But you know, the intensity of the bulb is not that bright as compared to obviously the flashlight, right? When you extend the accordion type design here, it's meant to cover more light, allow more light to emit through the area, you know. But we'll let this charge a little bit more, but you know, it seems to be handy for when you have a blackout, but the light intensity is not very strong, you know. So I've got the lights dim. It's been charging for an hour. Just wanted to show you. So it has one bar, one blue bar. Not really starting here. Pressing a button. So I don't really like this one too much. Oh, there we go. All right, it has almost 4, right? You can see the LED lights. They're like a circle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like 12 or 14 circular LEDs, right? And then when you tap it, it flashes too, you know? And then you tap it again, and the intensity is lower or higher. The button doesn't really work all that good. Sorry, doesn't work all that well. But, you know, I'll charge it a little bit more, but I don't really like this one too much. There you go. See? And like an accordion, you can open it up and carry it around like a lantern, you know? But the intensity of the lumens is not very good. Not like this flashlight. You know, this is really cool. This is really cool. I like this one a lot. So you can have the intensity that way. You could tap it for lower, tap it, and then you have the strobe, right? And you could do the intensity for the strobe. So this flashlight is very cool. So the Balit flashlight is very cool. I like it a lot. And this one's okay. It'd be good for blackouts and stuff, but I don't know. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. See, you tap it, the intensity, then I believe it flashes, but sometimes you have to really push down on it for it to start. So there it is. These are the two items that I got from Balit. I like the flashlight a lot. And, you know, the lantern's okay as long as you have it fully charged. You know, I'll leave it in the sun for a bit. I think it's cool that it's solar powered, you know. And you can charge it with the cord. This flashlight's fantastic. I'll leave a link to the description for both these items if you guys are interested. But thank you to Balit for sending me these nice products for me to try. It's very useful for survival, outdoor camping, hunting, whatever, even in emergencies, you know. So thanks a lot for joining me on our lighting products today, our review and unboxing. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire right out! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.